The other night I was experimenting with citric acid, baking soda, and water to produce something to power a rocket I was making. But then I realized citric acid and water is basically just vinegar. And as it turns out, that is a much stronger reaction with baking soda. So I decided to use vinegar and baking soda to power my new rocket. The only problem was, I've already made a baking soda and vinegar powered rocket. So this time I had a plan to make it better than that one. The plan was, instead of just putting the vinegar and then baking soda in it and then corking it, which would spend a lot of gas that would otherwise be used to make it go higher, we can put the baking soda in a pouch, which would only fall down when the cork was put in it, saving a lot of gas so that it would go much higher. I made the body of the rocket out of a soap bottle. When the body of the rocket was done, I made a cardboard tube that would slide easily along the launch rail. Then I glued it on the rocket, and then I realized it was in front of the fin, so I had to re-glue it. So now that the rocket was finished, I got my napkin and put baking soda in it. So I set everything up and then poured the vinegar in and put the baking soda in the napkin and then corked it immediately. So it actually came back in pretty good condition. I would say reflyable.